though about riding a horse.
Make sure you will fly.
She can come pet her. She loves the neck pet. That's her favorite. She's a good girl. Doesn't she look like the Barbie horse? Right? Like a real life Barbie horse. All right. You ready?
Come on, old lady, let's get her.
Damn, Lily.
So she can
Rocket, rocket.
That's okay.
He's like, wait for me.
And then we'll take Journey around in a minute. Keep going.
Hello.
Alright, now remember, Rocket stays behind Journey for now. Keep Rocket back there. Good. Keep Rocket back there.
Rocket wants to go. So wrong.
Yeah, keep her behind Journey. Pull back as hard as you can. Keep her back there. There you go. That's it. Nice job. Nah. You like it though? We got our feet in there good. Is your foot in there enough? Yeah, that's fine. Should we stop or want to keep going? Keep going. All right. I like it.
I think she has a need for speed.
I know. Yeah, good job. Was I? Shove it. Perfect. Give Journey